up, guys? It's me, Uncle Few here, and today is vlog day. I know it's Saturday, but I don't have anything else to do, so it's vlog day. So today's vlog is going to be me exploring my kitchen. So let's go. I'm gonna be exploring my kitchen. Here we go. First, let's start with the refrigerator. Yep, there are drawers up there. Yeah. So we have all this stuff. Now we go down. All the normal stuff. Yeah, we even got some whipped cream right there. So I'm just crouched down. Yo, I found something. Yo, what is this? What is this? What is this? What the heck is this? Smirnoff Ice? Original premium malt beverage. Yo, what the heck is this? Guys, I know this is a bad idea. I'm gonna take like 2 sips. I'm gonna take like 2 sips out of it. So this is a twist off. Oh. 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 Oh no. No. Oh, that was nasty. That was real nasty. So, also, yep, the side of it is full of freaking water bottles. We have one, a two, a three, and I can't see. We have the one, we have the 2, 3, and 4. Then another one down here, so that makes 5. Then down here 6. And then one down here 7. And then 2 up there. 8 and 9. But still, that was so freaking nasty. Oh yeah, I'm also gonna not be running out of water bottles because of. Well, you all can't see that, but there we go. We have endless supply of water bottles. So, if you guys want me to do a challenge with water included in it, I want water bottles. So, let me go back into my room right now because I feel so uncomfortable because I feel like any minute my mom's just gonna wake up, walk out here, and she's like, "Hey, who are you talking to? Why are you holding the phone like that?" I was like, "Alright, I'm going to my room." You know what? I'm just gonna cut. And yeah, I'm here in my room. So yeah, I had to actually raise my window so my phone will be actually height with me. So I'll be in the frame in the frame here in the frame. So yeah. So what y'all cannot see me at all. Move back chair. So I am now experimenting with like advanced stuff, like paid promotions and annotations, edit like other stuff, time lapses and all that. So yeah, right now there's going to be a mobile card right here to a video that has my second channel link, and then so please go down there and go to that video up there. Yeah, already appeared. Yep. Click that, like, or tap it. Click the video. Go in the description. Go to my second channel. Subscribe. Turn on notifications, and you guys will be fine. You guys can hear everything I have to say. If you don't, then just don't watch my videos. No, I'm just kidding. Just don't leave. I'm getting too comfortable. I'm getting too comfortable talking around the camera. So, yeah. So, yeah. I'm also going to be hitting you guys up with another Call of Duty. Yeah, here we go. Gonna be hitting y'all with another Call of Duty. That was also pre-recorded, like, I don't know, like 2 months ago. So, yeah. The reason why I pre-record stuff is because it's like things I do, it's like unexpected for me to do. What am I saying? Like, let's say, oh hey guys, I'll hit you with a Call of Duty tomorrow, and then nothing happens tomorrow, but I record it then, but I don't upload it then. So yeah, I'm spacing out because I'm getting bored. So I'm gonna end this right now. So yeah, you know, with Call of Duty, and the reason I pre-record stuff is because stuff just happens, and it's like, sorry, I can't upload for you guys today, but I have some pre-recorded footage for y'all, and I just post it out there. It takes like 2 hours to even get out, and that is hard. It's hard. It's hard for that. It's hard for that. Sorry. It's hard. My phone sometimes dies. I have to I have to charge it and have it upload at the same time. And that is bad. And I'm still talking. Well, like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time.